I'm gonna do my 2025 recap a bit different. Sabi ko, kwento ko na lang kaya, diba? So ending, naging kwento na nga lang ang lahat. Okay, so simulan na natin! Number 1, work. Sobrang grateful ako dahil ang daming opportunities na ibinigay sa akin this year. Maraming nag-trust na brands. So thank you. Thank you so much po sa tiwala. Projects, yes, my gosh, ang dami. Nagkaroon ako ng... Teka lang. Bog! Sabi ko sa inyo eh. So, okay. Ayan. Sabi ko sa inyo, talaga, nagkamali ka ng binangga, Ems. Acting projects, my God. Sobrang kinikilig ako kasi nakagawa ako ng TV series, Beauty Empire, and sobrang love ko yung genre, sobrang love ko yung story, family revenge drama, and 2 pelikula. Actually, 3 projects na yun, kakaiba talaga yung genre nila. Isang pelikula, P77, pinalabas siya sa sinihan this year. Siyempre, my God, sobrang memorable sa akin ng Contrabida Academy nung nag-launch din sa Netflix this year. Actually, di ko alam kasi kung pwede sabihin. A few days ago, or maybe last week, I already had a meeting with the management for my next TV project for next year, and I'm just so excited. But yeah, next year na yun. Okay na yun. So, yun lang. Okay, so basta I have so much to be grateful for in terms of work this year. So, next, friends. I definitely made more time for my friends this year. And I'm so happy I did. Grabe, nakapag-catch up kaming lahat this year. And may mga inanak na rin ako. Grabe. Nakakakilig. And yun, ang saya. Ang dami ko palang kaibigan. At saka I'm also proud to say na marami din akong naging mga bagong kaibigan. Okay, next. Family. In fairness, this year, parang mas nakapag-communicate kami ng maayos ng family ko. Ng parents ko, well, kami naman ng ate ko ever since. Kahit nonsense or full of sense, lagi naman kami nag-communicate talaga. I got to spend more time with them also. I-next ko na rin yung health. Dahil proud ako, dahil kami ng parents ko, hindi kami na ospital this year. Yay! Hindi kami nagkasakit this year! Daddy, congratulations! It's such a huge achievement, especially for me, kasi sakitin din talaga ako, kaya surprising din na hindi ako nagkasakit this year. So, saya. Next! Pwede mo mag-start yung video nang hindi gumaganan. Okay, next is travel. Kadalawang travel ako this year. So, una, yung sa Seoul, Korea. Very first, ko yun, solo trip. Samgyeopsal every day. Woo! Talaga nga naman. Pangalawa, pumunta ako kay ate sa Chicago. Doon ako nag-Halloween. So, yun. I also got to spend time with my sister, si Kuya Ben, si Lucian. Kaya, yun. Next, love. So, seryoso. Bahala na kayo. May kanya-kanya naman kayong kwento eh. Bigay ko na sa inyo yan. Joke lang. Love, well, I learned so much about it, and I definitely learned from it. this year. The only person who can and will love me unconditionally is myself. Kaya naman, I've become my own sugar mama. Diba? Ni-spoil ko talaga ng bongga ang sarili ko this year. Parang, sige, tara, Valentine's tayo sa Korea, ganyan. Punta ka kay Ate Abby, business class, okay, go! Well, syempre, pinaghirapan naman natin ng bongga yan, diba? So, pero diba, bigay lahat, bigay hiling. Gusto mo mag-steak, okay, diba? Parang I took myself to all the cafes I wanted to go to. I took myself to all the movies I wanted to see this year. Talagang walang excuses. Kung anong gusto ko, binibigay ko sa sarili ko. Next, personal growth. Talaga nga namang nag-grow talaga tayo this year. My gosh, halata naman, diba? Hello? 10 pounds. Grabe, sobrang active ko this year. My God, cannot believe I'm saying that. I tried Pilates, pag may budget. Mahal kasi. Tennis, try ako mag-tennis. Nag-swim training na rin ako ngayon. Talaga nga naman. And last but definitely not the least, I fell in love with running. I started running January of this year. But I actually fell in love with it when I first joined a charity fun run. I think it was for children with cancer. Na-realize ko na, kumbaga, hindi na lang siya para sa healing ko. I could actually help others. Kaya sobrang minahal ko yung pagtakbo. Kaya naman, ang dami ko talagang sinalihan. Like, dumadayo talaga ako para lang mag-charity fun run, ganong level. Because I actually fell in love with it. There was a point na medyo na-frustrate ako sa sarili ko. Because I stopped running regularly for a time. That was when I was too busy with work. Nung unti-unting bumabalik na ako sa pagtakbo, humina ako ulit. Like, sobrang na-insecure ako sa heart rate ko, sa pace ko, ganyan. But then, na-realize ko din, nagsimula akong tumakbo kasi I wanted to be present. Pag tumatakbo ko, feeling ko talaga parang, like, ako lang mag-isa, ganyan. Ang iniintindi ko lang yung pace ko, heart rate ko, yung distance na gusto kong ma-achieve. And so, ang saya. I-remind ko yung sarili ko na huwag kang ma-pressure. And so, ayun. Na-enjoy ko na siya ulit. Nasaan ba tayo? Nasa last na tayo. Greatest lesson ko this year is to be present. Be in the moment. Yun. Basically, to show up. Show up for people who matter. But most importantly, show up for myself. Get up, do something, anything. Lagi kong pinupush yung sarili ko to be out there, to actually live my life to the fullest. And so, with that, the 2025 season has come to an end. Thank you!